Am I on the shot?
Yeah, I see you now.
Yeah. And today, we're releasing this cute little snake into the wild. Say hi.
Hi.
Do
Which side?
snakes make noise?
Rattlesnakes do.
Good. Maybe we shouldn't drop him. Let's
Well, what I want to know is which side of the house do you want him? Do you think he'd be safer on?
I think.
I don't know. Let's don't do over here because they're working in the yard, and we don't want the men to see him and kill him.
You're right. You're right. Let's find a nice place for it. Yeah. No, I think that's a male or female.
I'm not into that. You want to do a picture now of him?
I'm videoing him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna video him. Yeah, we're finding a place for this cute little snake to live. Yeah, I mean, how old do you think?
I think he's had enough. He's not that old.
How old do you think he is? Oh, it's
because they get much, much bigger than this, and we've got a limb down.
Oh, well, that's fine. How are those bushes?
I was thinking about putting him out towards the street.
Okay, let's just put it. Let's just put this innocent little guy. How'd this bush?
I'm gonna put him on the other side.
Yeah, it's going to rain. Let's. Goodbye.
Okay, let's go in.